Hi everyone, welcome back to Fleecimals Friday. I'm Michelle, and in today's video we are going to be customizing these three little nutcrackers. They are from the Dollar Tree and we introduced them in our last video, but today we are going to put our own fun spin on them. So come along for the ride! I have disassembled and spray painted these with a priming base coat just to help speed things along with painting so I don't have to do as many coats. I've also mixed up 3 custom Fleecimals colors. So these nutcrackers are going to be used for our Christmas decorations whenever we have an event or convention close to Christmas time. So they're going to be decorated in our signature colors. I'm starting off by doing a coat of paint on each of their shirts, one being purple, one being green, and one blue. And then I'm going to use the same 3 colors alternating around different parts of my nutcracker to really make these pop. Now that all of their base coats are done, I can start to reassemble them. This crown gave me a little bit of trouble just gluing it on. I realized at this moment that the hats are directional in the way that they need to be added back on. Also, when disassembling, the heads did crack a little bit, so adding a little bit of extra hot glue is not going to hurt any of them. Now I'm going in with a silver Sharpie to give them details. I'm adding little buttons on their cuffs and little belt buckles, and I'm starting to go down their shoes, giving them little laces as well. The silver Sharpie definitely popped on the paint, which was a relief for me because I did not have any kind of paint pens and I wasn't sure if it would pop as much as it did. I'm starting here on Clive, giving him some of his details of his crown because he is a royal gentleman. So in honor of that, he gets to be painted first. I didn't exactly have a plan for where I wanted to put certain details. I just kind of let the pen and the nutcracker guide me in where it needed some. I really followed along with the texture that was already on the plastic, as you can see with the crown. But then having to switch over to the flat, large hats made it a little bit more difficult. Like poor Bruce here, I just keep flipping it upside down and backside up. But he ended up with a beautifully decorated tall hat. Growing up, we always had nutcrackers in our house, and I think it's just such a cute decoration for Christmas time. And I think these will just work really well for our table. Speaking of Christmas, with things coming close, if you are looking for a last-minute gift, we definitely recommend a Fleecimals gift card. You can get one right on our website at varying amounts, and it'll email directly to the recipient at whatever delivery date you want. So if you want it sent directly on Christmas, you can do that. And again, if you're looking for a last-minute Christmas gift, go to Fleecimals.com and check out our gift cards. Last and certainly least, there's Fred. Now listen, he's a great nutcracker and all, and he turned out super cute, but his green needed an extra 2 coats compared to Clive and Bruce. So for that reason, he's on the naughty list. I did end up using the Sharpie on the entire blade of the sword. I think it really brings it to life, though I wish I didn't pre-paint it. But the purple really helps the silver pop. I I got a little stopped here trying to figure out what to put on his hat. I don't know if it was that or just his eyes staring at me, but we figured out something in the end. Lastly, I just added an extra button on each of the Nutcracker sleeves. I think it just gave them a more refined look, almost like a Buckingham Palace guard. And these are the finished Nutcrackers. I think they turned out so cute and perfect for our future booths. We really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you had to guess, what do you think these three gents do in their off time? Be sure to like and subscribe, send to a family or friend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!